Hi, I am Shanice Goodman. Hi friends and welcome back. If you are new, welcome and thanks for stopping by. I am Shanice and this is my channel, Completely Shine. So today I'm coming at you with this hairstyle. This hairstyle is actually inspired by TheChicNatural here on YouTube. She did a half up, half down with a half wig and I found it really cute, so I decided to try it out with my wig because the closure is in its last stages. So I wanted to get, the best out of it before I completely dump the closure. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I will be doing post notification shout out in the near future. And yeah, let's get straight on into this video. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. If you want a shout out, just turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and then comment done in the comment section down below, or leave a heart on one of my pictures on Instagram and I will definitely give you a shout out. But today's shout out goes to, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting me. And yeah, let's get straight on into this video. I'm not going to ramble anymore. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your hair is all braided up. I actually sectioned off the front part of my hair and I made it too big. That is why you see 2 rows of braids going to the side. But you really just need at least 4 or 5 plaits going to the back, and this is the wig that we're going to be using today. You can click the eye or wait until the end of the video to see more details on this hair, what texture it is, where I got it from, and all that good stuff. So I sewed some combs into it and an elastic band for extra security, and I also did a twist out on it because I just like the curl pattern of how that comes out. So you definitely want to secure your hair and protect it with a wig cap. I would suggest using a dark wig cap, especially if your closure is shedding or if your wig is gappy. I only realized that afterwards, but take a page out of my book and learn from my mistake, because you definitely will see the wig cap. So I'm just going in with my Got To Be Blue gel and applying that all around the perimeter of my edges so that, they look a little bit more sleek. I'm not sure for how long they're going to be sleek, but we're doing it just for the sake of the video. So I'm taking an ouchless band and just gathering all that hair and putting it into a top knot at the top of my head. And now it's time for the wig. And these 2 plaits right here are what I'm going to use to conceal my bun. Can you guys comment below and let me know what you use on your edges if you are a 4C girl and how long it lasts? I definitely need to try out some new products because nothing seems to work for me. So now I'm applying the wig. And I first start by putting the elastic band around my head, and then I'm securing the combs so that the wig is laying flat on my head and it's not going anywhere. It's pretty secure. So you guys will see in a moment what I mean about using a darker wig cap. But for now, I'm gonna unravel these last couple twists and use that to conceal my bun. So I'm taking that section of hair and wrapping it around my natural hair bun, and then I'm gonna secure it with some bobby pins to make sure that my natural hair is fully concealed and the bun matches the texture of the rest of the wig. So you guys can see that patch right there. So I'm just taking some bobby pins to really pin down the hair so that it stays in place and the wig cap and the patches of the wig don't show too much throughout the day. So just add as many bobby pins as you feel necessary, and that's pretty much it. And here's the finished look. So guys, that brings us to the end of my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more fun videos with this hair, click right here, a playlist of my natural hair videos and hair styling videos. Click right here, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye!